Hello and welcome. Now, I wanted to show you, did you know that when you have a PDF, you can actually consistently make it smaller so that you can write in the margins. So I'll show you how to do it. Go down to notebook settings and you go to adjust width, right? Now, what you want to do is fit to custom view, and in here, zoom and pan to adjust the page. So if we want to have this much room around the page, we can now press set, and you can see that every page I go to, it's smaller. And so when I want to write, let me just check, writing here, doodles, crosses, editing, I can do all the things around the edges. Now, if I don't like that and I want to change it again, I might even make it smaller again. And then I've got more room around here. See that? Now, if I'm going to swipe, remember it's tissue paper, okay? Remember tissue paper. And then you've got all this space. You can't write down here. All this space. If you get rid of your menu, you've got all this space to write notes in the margins. So it's very good for annotating, proofreading, editing, all of the things, right? And then every page is the same. That is, when you do it in here, you're changing it for the whole document, not just one page. Fit to custom view. Fit to custom view. Okay? Fit to custom view. And it's in the notebook settings down there. How awesome is that? Woohoo! Thumbs up. Any love on the channel would be awesome.